Ready na ba tayo? Shout out! Okay! Let's do this! Hindi pa! Oh, shout out tayo dito! May shout out pa dito! Ito na!
Shout out sa College of Business and Financial Science! CBFS! CBFS! CBFS!
Ang sasaya! Parang dito naman tayo!
Shout out sa mga classmate ko to DBSFM! At saka sa mga financialista! Shout out sa best friend ko, Rika! I love you! Shout out sa 1BBSN! Nag-review na ba kayo microbarang?
Okay! Ready na ba tayo? Oh, sandali! May pa-shout out!
Shoutout kay Kichi! Labas ka na!
Woo! Hindi ko kayo naiintindihan. Dito naman daw. Oh, ito daw. May ano kasi, baka mag-feedback. Dito daw. Baka mag-feedback kasi tayo. Oh.
Shoutout po sa mga kaklase ko dyan! Sino to ang grade 11 STEM? Shoutout din po sa crush ko! Miss na kita! Wow!
Okay, game na! Tuloy na natin to. Isa pa na, oh. Isa pa.
Shoutout kay Lizard Farmadret! Ang sarap po!
Okay, yung mga gustong shout out, medyo lapit-lapit lang kayo dito kasi medyo mahirap lumayo dyan. Okay, wait lang. Pakinggan muna natin. You back? Jabbers? Game na? Okay, let's go! You back, Jabbers!
Hello.
Oh! Ayan
What's
na.
up, Yuba?
Wait lang, parang mahina.
Mahina ata. Saba!
Saba!
What's up, Yuba?
Woo!
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, yeah!
Woo! You wanna run away?
Are you ready?
Let's go!
Well, look at here, what do we have? Another pretty day, ready for me to grab. But little does she know is I'm a wolf and she's closing gets out the air and the night in the I'll be holding, I love you so. Hey, that's what you say. Tell me, baby, please don't go away.
Don't go away.
When I play, I never say. Baby girl, they don't need, yeah, this is what I say. Run away, baby, before I put my spell on you. You better get away, darling. It's everything you have to do. Falling hard, we'll end up alone. That's why a long time we're always on. So you better run away, baby. Ah, yeah. Let me think, I want you to do so many big young bodies that I like to pursue. Now even though they're eating all the palm of my hand, there's only one carrot I love you so, what you say. Tell me, baby, don't go away. When I play, I never say. So every girl, they don't need, yeah, this is what I say. Run away, baby, before I put my spell on you. You better get away, darling, 'cause everything you heard is true. You call it hard, we'll end up alone. 'Cause for a long time we're always on. So you better run away, baby.
Let's go!
See, I ain't tryna hurt you, baby. No, I just wanna work you, baby. Yeah, no, I just wanna work you, baby. No, I just wanna work You better run. You better run away, baby, before I put my spell on you. You better get away, darling, 'cause everything you heard is true. Fall in love, let 'em alone. This one's gone down the wrong song. So you better run away, baby. Woo! Woo! Bitin pa ba?
Sino pa?
Dahil dyan,
Posible hindi nyo alam tong kantang to. Come on, sing with us and enjoy the night. Right, Bayon? I wanna sing.
can't count the years on hand that we've been together. Woo! I need the other one to hold you, make you feel better. It's not a walk in the park to love each other. But when our fingers interlock, can't deny you were there.
Sigaw nyo na yan.
'Cause after all this time, I'm still into you.
Who wanna sing?
I should be over on the butterfly. I'm into you. And maybe even on the worst night, I'm into you. Never wonder how we got this far, 'cause I don't really need to wonder at all. Yeah, after all this time. Recount the night that I first met your mother, and then the drive back to my house. I told you that I love ya.
I love you.
You felt the weight of the world fell off your shoulder, and to your favorite song we sang along to the start forever. Cause after all this time, I'm still into you.
Let's go!
I should be over on the butterfly. I'm into you. And maybe even on the worst nights, I'm into you. Never wonder how we got this far, 'cause I don't really need to wonder at all. Yeah, after all this time, I'm still into you.
Hey, 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 hey! Come on, come on, John! Hey, hey,
Hey, hey!
hey, hey!
Some things just make sense in one of those is you and I. Some things just make sense in even after all this time. I'm into you, baby. Not a day goes by that I'm not into you. I should be under all the butterfly. I'm into you. And baby, even on the worst nights, I'm into you. Let 'em wonder how we got this far, 'cause I don't really need to wonder at all. Yeah, after all this time, I'm still into you. I'm still into you. I'm still into you. Kamusta ang midterms? Okay lang ba? Tatandaan natin na ang buhay ay di karera. Minsan inahuhuli ang sarili na nag-aalala. Mga bagay na di kontrolado, problema. Pero teka lang.
Sige tayo.
Meron bang humahapon sa'yo? Di naman dapat natulin ang bata ko. Sino Okay pa ba kayo?
Check.
Okay pa ba ang lahat?
Okay.
Yan, may nakikita akong mga tumatalon dun, oh. Enjoy! Yan, enjoy.
Heroes Game! Isa pa, Heroes Game! Let's go! Come on! One, two, three, hey!
Let's go, let's go!
First one, sa'yo lang ako naging ganito. Para bang nasira ang ulo ko, pader na ang puso ko. Unti-unti bumibigay, sinisira mo. Tagal kong mahal sa pagmamahal, ilang beses lang nasasaktan. Sana'y hindi na maulit ang dati. Ayoko na muna maulit ang dati.
Sabay-sabay!
Sa'yo lang, hey! Sa'yo lang, nakaganito. Sa'yo lang, naramdaman ang puso ko lahat. Sa'yo lang ako naging ganito. Humingiti sa alaala mo. Kahit na mag-isa, pag naiisip kita, nabibitin lang ako. Sa'yo lang, nabaliw. Sa'yo lang, nakaganito. Sa'yo lang, naramdaman ang puso ko lahat. Sa'yo, sa'yo lang, nabaliw. Sa'yo lang, nakaganito. Sa'yo lang, naramdaman ang puso ko lahat. Sa'yo, nababaliw pag ikaw ang kasama. Wala ka sanang ibang makilala. Kung noon nais ko doon ay di na ngayon. Ika'y gusto sa habang panahon. One, two, three, go! Nabaliw sa'yo lang, nakaganito. Sa'yo lang, naramdaman ang puso ko lahat. Sa'yo, sa'yo lang, nabaliw. Sa'yo lang, nakaganito. Sa'yo lang, naramdaman ang puso ko lahat. Delikado na naman ako, o bakit nakikinig na naman ako. Pero ngayon ay parang kakaiba, pag nakatingin sa'yo mata ang mundo ay kalma. Ngayon nandiyan ka na, magmamadali kung saan ang katabihan sa ang buhay bumuli. Di na maghahanap ng kung anong sa mga tanong ko. Kaya magpatiyakan ko, hindi na ako titulaw. Ngayon ikaw na sasayaw. Kung ano mang kulay ang ating nagsisilbing tanglaw. Ikaw ay di akalain nararamdaman ko muli ang kapit ay maunawang. Magkabit na dinig at sinabi ng araw. Mukhang di naman delikado, kasi parang hindi na naman ako. Pero ngayon hindi na ako magagawa, kahit anong sabihin nila. You are 1, 2, 3, let's go! Nakakatawian ang buhay bumuli. Di na maghahanap ng kung anong sa mga tanong na yabang katiyakan ko. Hindi na ako titigilan. Ngayon ikaw na silbing tanglaw. Let's go! Ikaw ay bilang. Ngayong nandiyan ka laging magmamadali, ikaw lang ang katabi hanggang sa ang buko'y pumuti. Di na maghahanap ng kung anong sagot sa mga tanong, dahil ikaw ang katiyakan mo. Ngayong nandiyan ka laging magmamadali, ikaw lang ang katabi hanggang sa ang buko'y pumuti. Di na maghahanap ng kung anong sagot sa mga tanong, dahil ikaw ang katiyakan mo. Hindi na ako What? Come on.
Let's go. And I got this one boy, and he won't stop calling. When he act this way,
You my king. 1 and 2 and go.
Too bad your ex on too good.
Yeah.
Walking, drinking, true.
Yeah.
Stop screaming out perfume. I know nothing to do.
Yeah.
Don't want me talking through.
Yeah.
One touch and I'm brand new.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, jump.
Think about me, and I know that's sweet I myself. So you can see, baby, I know. Say me espresso. Move it up down, left right on. Switch it up light and single. So you can see, baby, I know. That's me espresso. Isn't that sweet? I guess so. I can't relate to desperation. Why give it? That's falling. But that don't do it for you. Walking, gym, can't shoot for you. Stop skating, I'm perfume for you. I know nothing to do for you. Don't think I do it for you. What's touching, I'm brand new for you. Now we thinking about me every night. Oh, isn't that sweet? I think so. Say you can sleep, baby, I know. send me espresso. Move it all down, Alfredo. Teach you to like Nintendo. Take and sleep, baby, I know. Send me espresso. Take and sleep, baby, I know. Till that sweet I can so. Take and sleep, baby, I know. Move it all down, Alfredo. Teach you to like Nintendo. Take and sleep, baby, I know.
Let's go, Sean! Let's go, Marty! Come on, come on! Ah, yeah!
Give it up for you jobbers, come on.
What's up, Yubak? Woo! Ang galing naman ng banda na yon. Ang galing, grabe! Okay, dagdagan natin ang magagaling dito sa stage. Ready na ba kayo? Tatawagin natin ulit our University President, Sir X Ramos! Merong iaanda si Sir X, huwag kayong magugulat ha. Kalma lang kayo, kalma lang. Kalmahan lang natin, may ia-announce lang si Sir President X! Padaanin niyo si Sir dyan sa likod! Hoy! Padaanin niyo si Sir! Hindi mo kadaan si Sir! Asa na si President? May i-announce lang si Sir! Importante lang to para sa inyong lahat. Woo! Ano? Palakpakan natin si Sir X. Importante itong i-announce niya sa ating lahat.
Hello? Ready na ba? Walang pasok. Kailan?
Hindi pwede yun! Huwag ganon! Mas maganda to kaysa sa walang pasok! Mas magugustuhan nyo to sa walang pasok. Dali, championship na ng Hinebra, ano ba? Uy, magcha-champion na kami. Hinebra!
Alam nyo, napakaswerte natin on our 53rd founding anniversary. We're blessed with very good weather, di ba? Kanina, sobrang init. Ngayon,
Yes!
hindi ganun ka humid. Yung next performer natin, actually timing. I just sent a message. Sabi ko, would you be visiting the Philippines sometime in March? Kasi sa Spain na siya naka-base. Nataon naman, sabi niya, I will be here yung week ng Foundation Week celebration ng UMAC. Natapat sa concert natin.
Yee!
Actually, homegrown na tiga Makati. Baka hindi nyo po alam.
Isa siyang Makati Zen, sir.
Isa siyang Makati Zen. Meron din siyang 4 na kapatid na dito nag-aral sa University of
talaga,
Makati.
sir?
Ready na ba? Ready na ba tayo?
Parang ready na tayo, sir.
Okay.
Parang ready na tayo.
Tuwing nandyan ako sa office ko, pagka may karaoke sessions, parati kong naririnig na kinakanta yung kanta niya eh.
Ay! Alam nyo na!
Nagtataka nga ako, sabi ko, parang may age divide ah. Sabi ko, parang hindi naman but timeless kasi yung mga kanta niya.
Oh, yes, sir.
And without further ado, one of our guest performers tonight
Sir, wait
sa
lang daw,
ating
sir.
53rd founding anniversary.
Ayan na, sir. Ready na,
Eto
sir.
na.
We're so ready, sir!
Coming up on stage, Miss Kichi Nadal!
Ready na ba yung mga camera, mga video dyan?
Yeah,
Parang kailangan mas malakas na sigaw pa. Oh. Pero nanirinig na ni Miss Kichi, andito na siya. Shout out ba? Shout out? Shout out? Konti lang, konting kalma lang, konting kalma. Sandali lang, wait. We can do this. At dahil dyan, sandali lang. Okay, Mark, paabot ako nung ano. At habang hinihintay natin niya, pasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. Pasensya na, may technical glitch. Okay? Amtech Global Solutions Inc., Galena Scale Technologies Corporation, Revolve Solutions Inc., First One Education Migration BGC, Scientific Biotech Specialties Inc., Skyline Summit Life Insurance Agency Incorporated, AMD Construction Corporation, International Pharmaceuticals Inc., TDEC, HDEC Power Inc., wait! St. Peregrine Institute, Darao Agara Football Club. Sir! Parang kailangan mo ulit, i-introduce. Okay, ready na ba tayo? Ready na ba si... At dahil dyan, uulitin ko yung ating sponsors. Wait lang, kalma lang. Kalma lang tayong lahat. Ako din excited eh.
Check. Sir, palakas sa monitor.
Ready
Check,
na ba
check,
kayo?
Check. Low. Taas pa. Check.
Sana may maganda akong
Check,
picture.
check.
dyan,
Low.
Julio. Shout out!
Check,
Ah.
check. Hello.
Hindi tayo magkarinigan. Oh, may pa-shoutout daw dyan. Pakiabot ka, Ruji.
Shoutout sa mga blockmates ko sa tourism! Kanina pa
Check,
namin
1, 2.
inaantay si Kitchi Nadan!
Check, 1, 2.
Actually,
Check.
narinig niya.
Check, 1, 2. Check,
Ah,
1, 2.
ikaw may shoutout? Akala ko ba bawal yung outfit mo ngayon?
Check, 1, 2.
Halika rito.
Check, 1, 2. Check.
Shoutout po, wala na po akong boses. Okay, relax. Kalma
Check,
lang.
1, 2.
We'll get there.
Baba mo.
Okay. Ganun talaga yung mga bagay na hinihintay, sinusulit. Diba? Yung mga bagay na hinihintay natin na dumadating, kailangan dumadating sa tamang panahon, ganyan. At yung mga dumadating ng tamang panahon, enjoy natin, di ba? Ayan na! One more time! Miss